Welcome back to another episode of All About My Pet Bird. Well, you might not be seeing Fudgy right now. That is because he is actually not inside the cage. But this is a special episode. Why is it a special episode, you ask? Because Fudgy is flying around my room. And I'm going to talk to you and try and get Fudgy so y'all can see him. So jumpy. And I'm sorry if y'all can't see this properly, because as I go and try and catch Fudgy, he will go more and more and make this video go deeper into the darkness. But when I get him, I'll make sure that you see him. I will make sure. I just got him, and now he's in his favorite spot, the bed. His favorite spot is the bed. His favorite spot, the bed. He loves it here. Truly loves it. And his second favorite spot, the window. The window. I know I'm like more in the light now, but he might bring us back into the dark ages or the darkness. Which you prefer? See, I got him. And he just, with his feisty self, escaped swiftly. He swiftly escaped. And I had him on my shoulder. I had him on my shoulder. But he immediately ran off to his next favorite spot, the other window. So this special episode is inside my room where I sleep at night. And sometimes I get scared that he might bump into something. I don't turn on the fan when he's in here, 'cause you know, birds and flying and getting hit with fans and stuff. It's really tragic. But like, if you have a fan, just whatever you do, if you bring your bird out, do not, I repeat, do not turn on the fan in your room. So this is me telling you about Fudgy and showing you where he runs off to. But I think it's safe to say that the episode should be complete, except for the close-up, as usual, on Fudgy. But this time, I'm bringing him to your viewing pleasure. I'm scared of him falling down. Like, falling off a bed is nothing to humans. But for a bird, That could be like a 50-foot drop. I know if I was Fudgy, I certainly wouldn't want to fall down off a bed. Because let's be real, people. If we were birds and we couldn't fly and we had to watch out for cliffs and stuff and we fall off something, wouldn't we die? Because they're so small. Fudgy. He always would run off like this. This is the typical Fudgy. Except he is way more tame. Not my mother's purse! Let me turn on the lights. Look where he is. On my mom's purse. On her purse. No, I mean on her bag, not her purse. And we're ready for that close-up at the end, Mr. Fudgy. And I'm putting him on my arm. Me and Fudgy stuff. Ooh, I don't want you to fall off. He almost did. Well, goodbye.